All right. You all ready? All right, let's do this. Take one. Um, recording. What do you want to call this? Um, all right. Take one. Nana Buju intro song. Whatever you want to call it. All right. In three, two, overture. Cut the lights. This is it. The night of nights. No more rehearsing or nursing our parts. We know every part by heart. Overture, cut the lights. This is it, the night of nights. And oh, what heights we'll hit! On with the show, this is it. Na 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 na. Tonight, what heights we'll hit? On with the show, this is it. Oh, yeah, nicely done, you guys. Maybe that should be the new theme song. I don't know. I kind of feel like somebody else has already used it. Eh? Bonjour, ni Janashinabe Dog. Bonjour. Welcome to Bonjour Nana Bonjour, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today we have a very special guest here. Ikadon Bonjour. Iji Misha Biji. Misha Biji Ijanakazod. This is Mountain Lion. Say hello, Mountain Lion. Hello, everybody. And he's our new guest. He's another new character on the Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo podcast. And yeah, so anyway, maybe that's our word for today. Mijabiji. Mijabiji. Mountain Lion. And anyway, I also just want to take a moment to invite you to come on over to YouTube. We've got new episodes of the podcast. These are 30-minute episodes. You can pretend you're watching it on TV. Hey. All right, well, that's all I had to say. You guys got anything to add? Anamush? Let's see. No, not much, boss. I would just like to concur. Come on over to YouTube. We've got some really good shows, and if I don't mind me saying so, we got some pretty good music too. Okay. All right, well, let's call that a show. You have been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and I will see you again. Giga Wabamin, Minoa. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, I like this song.